Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Fly Dog D, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, this video is my February perfume trade. I think I got a few bangers here that I am going to be using this month. Now, these are my mandatory ones to use, so I'm going to pick a few, but of course, I'll be layering it, using with other things, and even going with other scents all together. But I just want to show you what these scents are. Okay, real quick. Here we go. The first scent is the Born Aroma Coral Fantasy. I had this in my scent basket for the last month and I didn't get a chance to use it, so it's going to be today. It has notes of pink gold, kiwi, accord, musk, and jasmine. My second scent of the month is the Dolce & Gabbana The Only One. It has scents of violet, bergamot, coffee, iris, vanilla, and patchouli. My third scent of the month is Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. It has pink pepper, sweet orange, coffee notes, jasmine, and vanilla. And coming in last, fourth, but definitely not least, is this beautiful one right here. This is a Swiss Arabian fragrance called Turab El Dahab. It has hibiscus blossom, tangerine, coconut, white musk, apple blossoms, roses, pineapple, floral notes, patchouli, and musk. So yeah, those are my fragrances for the month. I can't wait to just layer them on. But y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what scents you're using this month, because you know I'm makeup nosy, and that includes fragrances. But y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.